thing I like most about working for TRT is the satisfaction you get from seeing a trailer that you were a part of leave with a happy customer.
We don't build factory line items here. We like to mix it up.
They support us not only at work, like in our families as well.
So the people, the environment, and the fact that everyone is willing to help.
I like the professional people here.
People you work with are friendly and helpful.
There's a good bunch of guys and it's a great company that look after their staff.
The variety of work every day is different.
So I'm always working on something different, and no 2 days are ever the same.
I've got all the freedom to apply my knowledge and skills to achieve the best possible results.
The diverse projects we work on.
I can show the quality of my skills.
It's real job satisfaction seeing the end product roll out the door.
The right components are supplied and supplied on time. I'm proud to see my hard work being used.